In this video, I'll show you how to enable Bluetooth on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Open your system settings. From the home menu, select the gear icon to access system settings. Scroll down the menu on the left. Step 2. Navigate to Bluetooth audio. Scroll down and select Bluetooth audio from the list. Make sure your Switch 2 is updated to its latest firmware. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth to on if it isn't already. The console will begin searching for nearby devices. Step 4. Pair a device. Put your Bluetooth headphones or device in pairing mode. Select your device from the list on the Switch 2 screen. Step 5. Confirm connection. Wait for the confirmation message and test the audio output to ensure it's working correctly. And that's how you use Bluetooth on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe.